today's one, we are gonna. I didn't. It's not new, but I haven't. Yeah, I can't even speak English anymore. It's not new, and I'm gonna be going to the pirate ship map because I haven't gone to it before. So yeah, everyone go to the pirate ship map in the whirlpool. In the whirlpool, everyone.
Yo, dude.
Wait for us.
Yo, dude. Red Cross. Have you ever seen this?
Yes, I have.
The grappler.
It's a realistic slipper. I'm going to the pirate ship whirlpool map right now. So if you wanna join, feel free, bro.
Huh? What's going on?
Hey, that's the heart. The heart battle.
Alright. This is not new. I'll just join the public because like.
Oh, can be so mad.
It's over here, right? Well, there's the.
Be in the air. Go in the air. Go in the air.
The fish are coming out, so do we jump
In the
in?
air, bro. I have a grapple.
Do we? Oh yeah, there's a big hole. I think we jump in.
This is horrifying. Time.
Oh my God,
Where
what's
do we
going
go?
on? Where am I? Am I still underwater?
Teleport away.
Where do we go?
Or am I just falling from the sky and not know where I'm gonna land? Probably
Bro,
into
where
a
do we
pool of
go?
water.
Bro, I made it. I
Okay.
made it. I made it.
Hopefully
Where
there's
do
a
we-
pirate ship. No wonder it's called the pirate
To
ship.
the
now.
exit.
Oh,
To the hole.
I'm here. Yo, what's good, my man?
Wait, where are you? Here.
Oh my God.
Poor Johnny. Where'd you go? I think I'm at the exit. Well,
I think I fish. I think I just fish. Wait, what? We can go
Where?
down to Met.
oh, I'm here. I'm here. Where are you guys? Oh, I made it.
Pineapple. I mean, this is not a pineapple.
This thing. Yeah, but
Basic
Where are
fishing
you
rod.
guys?
Thank you. Thank you. On this boat right now. Get me on here. Tyler Perel. Scott. And guys, subscribe to this channel. Make sure you're subscribed to my second channel, Red Flames VR 2.
Our monster's so
Subscribe
ugly.
to that channel as well. Yeah, but we. Alright, bye. Oh, I got bite. Oh,
Yeah.
this is pretty hard.
take it off.
This is very hard. Wait, who has a special fishing rod?
Hi. What are you doing there?
I'm fishing. What does it look like I'm doing, bro?
Okay.
Do you have a special
Yeah.
fishing rod by any chance?
No, I don't. I just need to get those boots. How do I fish? Fish? What the fuck?
Bro, it's so hard. I'm gonna miss
It's
it.
not too well, because I got it. So,
Nope.
I'm going to stick here. Make sure I don't
Ah!
fail. No, make sure I don't fail.
oh god.
I want to stick here. Make sure I don't fail.
Everybody's got to look today. Everybody's got to look.
Yeah.
Get a diamond
Bro,
first.
that's cursed. That's cursed. That's cursed.
For the
Oh,
coat.
the coat.
For the
Oh,
coat.
snap.
For the
For the
coat.
coat.
For the coat.
Come on.
Oh no, No, I forgot the fish.
Come on, bro.
Again. I forgot the fish.
Oh, pufferfish. Have we gotten that before? Huh? Nah! Are you sick? Oh my god. I'm actually about to crash out. I am literally about to crash out.
I about the angle?
Oh my god! I hate this game. Better give me enough pufferfish. Right now.
Make on me a like on the wharf, on the ears, or happen word.
There's no way that happened, bro.
Maybe I got the fish.
Yeah, I missed that.
Of course.
Anyways. Like, guys, let's just do a quick little recap on what I got. Alright. And the fish. I've got bamboo. That. And I've got that. And I've got that. I swear I've also got a dragon somewhere. No way.
I didn't die. I didn't die.
Cursed.
Can you give me the fish?
You want it?
Yeah, I want it. Hey, why you put it in the water? And I can't get out. Guys, you gotta help me. I'm stuck in the water. Why is it so hard to climb? I'm not guys now. Does anyone have a... Let me buy a bamboo fishing rod.
I can't speak English today. What's going on? And like and subscribe. That's all I can say. I can subscribe. TikTok. That's it. We have to put back in 2025, guys.
Yeah.
How do you escape? How to get out of here? Oh. Guys, you might be thinking I have never played this map before because I've done a movie in it, but that's, yeah, I've only done a movie about playing in it. I never done an actual video or, yeah, never took a good look at it. What you got, bro? Give me up, give me some love, bro. Give me some love, give me some love, bro. Give me some love. I'm broke, bro. I wanna watch it. It's not fair. I wanna watch the show. Guys, who wants a Game Boy? I'm joking, bro.
I used to have one. I have one in my backpack.
Yo, pupils, who wants this, huh? Yeah, who wants it? Who wants it? Who wants it? Who wants it? Who wants it?
I want it.
Oh, and go fish! Shake! Alright, guys. You know what? Snail would love this. Probably a snail would love this, right? I'm gonna go in this right here.
The rainbow, diamond, and everything can be easy to identify.
I'm gonna go in this fan. Snail. Let's see if it's in there. There's gonna be so many people with this in here. Yeah, it's actually empty a little bit. Where's Tobias now? Ow!
Yeah, you never joined this fun. I don't know, you never joined.
Like a few videos every like month.
I hate you. I hate you. I hate you. I hate you. Don't tell Tobias now, guys. I hate you. I hate you.
I'm just gonna play around and see.
Just looking at my best snail, everyone. Wait, guys, does the glitch like still work? I think it does. The glitch, backpack, and then rocket ammo, and then you go like this. Oh, it does. It's still in the car. Hold up. Hold up, pupils. Does that mean you could do it with an RPG as well? Let's see. Nope. I'm just wasting all my money. Yeah, I'm not used to it on my right hand. Alright. Wait, I have this dead man straw.
God, I'm trapped in stage 2 hill. Are you guys even in there?
What the heck?
Oh,
Who are you? Are you Destination VR? Are you Destination VR?
who is Destination
Oh,
VR?
you guys left.
You're Destination VR.
Who is Destination VR? I don't know him.
You're Destination VR.
Oh,
Don't
you
lie.
got-
Don't lie.
Bro,
I said it once
I
and I'll
don't know
say it again.
I don't know.
Don't
I
lie.
don't know.
You're Destination
know
VR.
who
Everyone
Destination-
knows. You're Destination
No, I
VR.
don't.
Aren't you? Aren't you? Aren't you? Aren't you?
Check
Aren't
my
you?
name then. Check my name then. Check my name then. Look, it's Domer67. Doesn't sound anything compared to that.
Well, it actually does.
You're
Wait,
just a dumbass.
I'm not dumb. You call me dumb, then you're dumb.
You're a bum. You're a bum. Ticka bum. Oh my god, bro failed. Bro got framed. Flames VR got framed.
Oh. Wait, 4 people? Bruh. $89.
Red Flames VR got fouled, guys. No way.
Yeah, bruh.
Mm-mm.
I'm gonna put a trap. Yeah. I can trap people. I can trap people.
I feel so bad, bro. Look. Oh my god. Oh, guys, that is not my outro. I'm literally. Oh, that is. Oh my god! Tell me, guys, like and subscribe to save me from the bomb. Like and subscribe, please. Oh, it got him, not me. You guys subscribed. Thank you. Flames, I'll have a lovely day, peoples. Have a lovely day.
What is this?
Goodbye.